Can you imagine cooking healthier meals in half the time? Stay tuned as we reveal the top large-capacity air fryer combos. First up, the InstantPot 10-quart air fryer impresses with its versatility. It's beloved for its multiple cooking functions. Next is the Ninja Foodi 10-quart XL with extra crisp technology. It's perfect for anyone seeking more crunchy textures. Finally, the Cosori 12-in-1 air fryer oven combo breaks boundaries with 12 functions. These options make meal prep a breeze with their large capacities. Want more kitchen tips? Subscribe now for the latest insights.
What if I told you that one kitchen device could revolutionize your meals? Stay tuned to discover how the InstantPot 10-quart air fryer does just that. Known for its versatility, it combines 7 cooking functions in one. You can air fry, bake, broil, roast, and so much more effortlessly. It's like having a mini chef right on your countertop. Transform your cooking game with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Like what you see? Subscribe for more kitchen hacks and tips.
Have you ever noticed how difficult it is to cook for a big group? In the next few seconds, you'll learn the secret to effortless large meals. Meet the 10-quart air fryer that's changing kitchen dynamics. Perfect for cooking a whole chicken or a 2-pound bag of fries. Imagine handling your entire dinner with just one device. 7 functions in one make it a versatile kitchen hero. Intuitive controls mean less time fussing, more time cooking. Have you ever wondered why some find the InstantPot air fryer a bit challenging? Stay tuned to uncover the cons you might face. First is the size. It demands significant counter space. Not ideal for those with limited kitchen areas. While controls are straightforward, mastering them takes time, especially if you're new to multifunctional appliances. Finally, it lacks specialized trays and racks, meaning extra purchases for certain recipes. Found this insightful?